College Bunai Fibro Session Part, Kijing Tip Namtai Kubor Laitkam, Kibla Plight Lingba Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, dengan pulih katkum kene ke advertisement for appointment of staff on contractual basis, kene di kontrak, ada maksud. The office of the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Shillong invites application from eligible candidate who are citizen of India for appointment of following staff on contractual basis for a period of 1 year, which is extended as per performance. Okay, kade contractual, kolong shisnem, can extend bre. Cluster prevention officer, kawai, ka educational qualification, pidibandep ka master degree in social science / public health lane management with 5-year experience in development sector with minimum 3 years work experience in HIV/AIDS, preferably in supervisory capacity. The candidate should have sound understanding of issues related to high-risk group population and have experience of designing and implementation of targeted intervention strategy for high-risk group population such as female sex worker, transgender, injected drug user, migrants, trucker, prison. Te kitu ki badon ye kini kila ban apply la phimdon te onnom apply. Te ka experience la bu hangne desirable ki badon ye ka PG diploma in HIV/AIDS or fellowship in HIV/AIDS from any government recognized institution. Te hangne la depan matai the candidate should be familiar with the organization and function of the state and local public health system state AIDS control society. Dengan nom pelilut baro te kila tip hi badon kam ki kwa ban apply. He should have excellent written and verbal communication, knowledge of local language, English speaking, reading and writing, previous experience, well versed in computer, strong analytic, willingness to travel. Kane kade hapo Shillong katulop kade sau pusan hajar shibanai. Te ki badon ni kini ki experience, ki badon ni qualification, te select ya badon kam. Counselor kane rekawai kapus kane bere graduate degree holder in psychology lane social work lane sociology lane anthropology lane human development or hold a diploma in nursing with a minimum of 3 to 5 years of experience in counseling lane educating under national health program. Hawa slash kemudian ba filaban day tangga tekawai ne pidon kasong happy. Dan lane postgraduate degree either in psychology lane in social work lane in sociology, baik kiba graduate kilap na apply, kiba de postgraduate kilap na apply. Te kasong haki bada. If candidate is a person living with HIV/AIDS, PL/HIV, graduate degree holder in psychology, social work, anthropologist, with 1 year experience of counseling, educating under national health program. Tangki badon ini te kila ban apply. Ane kadang a desirable experience of working under the national AIDS and STD control program, facility or community setting, knowledge and skill. Candidate should have computer literate, familiarity with government, ability to work in teams. Kumtata takane kade hapo jawai katulop kade arpui hajar shibanai. Kane kade TO technical officer kawai kane kade BSc in microbiology, lane biochemistry, lane biotechnology, lane life science, BSc in life science. Te kita harus apply. Te kadon beda sagane ka desirable qualification ladaki apply kini kepada MSc in microbiology tengmut ba kin khamyo gini beda MSc microbiology dan MSc biochemistry dan MSc biotechnology, life science or BTech biotechnology. Te kini long desirable te ladaki don kini mit khamyo ki MSc. The experience hang te la 5-year experience of working in any diagnostic laboratory for candidate with BSc. Kibada ki BSc don kam sansnam ki experience. 2 years experience in any diagnostic laboratory of candidate with MSc. Kibada ki MSc but BTech don kam asnam experience. Candidate with experience of working in accredited labs or those lab who have applied for accreditation will be preferred. Tekane kade hapo Shillong hi katulop kade live san hajar shibanai. Tetang ki badon ikini experience but go puli ikini kilani kila apply. For more information, kindly visit. Tengah ada ban visit di hapo website kamdon area te sa visit ikan website meghalaya.sax.com. Sa check itu kadon kamdon yaman tade kamdon area. Candidate fulfilling the above criteria can apply in standard form. Hilap na apply hak standard form and of copies of all testimonial the apply standard forms and like submit pada hapo office. Age limit as per government norms. Candidate are submit one passport size photo attached in the standard form. Candidates are to submit one self-addressed envelope affixed of ₹5 postal stamp. Do not staple the envelope with your application. Tapi kumba pi apply kam, pihak tit sak envelope ru, pihak tab application kujung pihak pok envelope rengkar bercustom kabalo kabasan nika custom, pila banyak na pok post office. Serial number 2, preference will be given to local candidates. Yakan nika post ke number 2 ki kam I preference badai ki local candidate ka councillor ka badai ni jawai tekin preference ki badai ni jawai. And complete application should reach the office Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Pasture Hill, Laumali, Shillong 1 on or before 31st July 2024. Kan mau haban poi yak application ni pi hapo Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, Pasture Hill, Laumali. Kalas date kedai live tarik Julai arjar arpsau. Te selek ek bulan kam ki bakwa apply. Tangi ni kijing tip khule jubun.